Good day, class. This is Sir Bren. Our lesson for today is about inverse of a one-to-one function. We have three basic steps. Okay, so yung una, so write the function in the form of y is equals to f of x. Ibig sabihin, we will just replace the symbol f of x sa y. Next step, second step, is to interchange or pagpalitin ang x and y variables. And the third step is to solve for y in terms of x. So first example is f of x is equals to 3x plus 1. Okay, our first step is to write the function in the form of y is equals to f of x. Ibig sabihin, itong f of x ay papalitan natin ng y. So next step, interchange the position of x and y variables. Ibig sabihin, itong y, gawin nating x. And then, yung x dito, sa 3x ay gawin nating y. Okay? Next step is to solve for y in terms of x. So we are solving for y. So we want y to be isolated. Ibig sabihin, this positive one here, ito, is we transpose this to the other side, becomes positive, magiging negative, is equals to 3y. So kailangan natin yung y ay walang coefficient, no? So we divide both sides by 3 para makancel yung 3 dito, and then magdi-divide din tayo ng 3 dito. So 3 divided by 3 cancels, so 1, so becomes y is equals to x minus 1 divided by 3. And then yung huling procedure is to change y into this symbol, f to the negative 1 of x as the inverse symbol is equals to yung ating sagot na x minus y divided by 3. Okay, so this f of x is equals to 3x plus 1 is its inverse is f to the negative 1 of x is equals to x minus 1 over 3. Now, to check kung tama yung ating mga inverse is to use composition method. Para ma-check, magsosolve tayo ng dalawang beses. So, dito sa side na to, we have f of f to the negative 1 of x. Dito naman is f to the negative 1 of f of x using composition. Okay, so dito muna tayo, no? So we have yung f of x natin is 3x plus 1. Ibig sabihin, we will change yung x natin into x minus 1 divided by 3 or over 3. So 3, itong nakuha natin dito is x minus 1 over 3 plus 1. Okay, so we will solve algebraically. So ito yung 3 will cancel. Ang matitira is x minus 1 and then plus 1. So negative 1 plus 1 is 0. So ang matitira dito is x. Ngayon, titingnan natin kung ang sagot dito na x is parehas dito sa kabilang side. Okay? So dito using composition, yung ating f to the negative 1 of x is x minus 1 over 3, diba? And then papalitan natin ng f of x nito. Yung x gagawin nating 3x plus 1 and then minus 1 over 3. Okay? And then tanggalin natin yung parenthesis dito tayo, no? 3x plus 1 minus 1 over 3. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Ang matitira dito ngayon is 3x over 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. So therefore our final answer here is x. Ibig sabihin, kung parehas ang sagot nila, they are inverses of each other. So our next example will be find the inverse of g of x is equals to x cubed minus 2. So we have here a cubic function. Okay, first step to find its inverse is to change this function into y. So we have y is equals to x cubed minus 2. So next is to interchange x and y variables. Ibig sabihin, y becomes x is equals to x magiging y cubed minus 2. So this is the second step. So the third step is to solve for y in terms of x. So itong negative 2 to the other side becomes x positive 2 is equals to y cubed. So kailangan natin y lang to, so we transpose the exponent 3 to the other side, magiging cube root of x plus 2 is equals to y. Or pagbaliktarin natin, y is equals to cube root of x plus 2. So our radicand here is x plus 2. Now we will change y into the symbol f raised to negative 1. Oh sorry, so ang gamit kasi natin ay g. So g of negative 1 of x is equals to the cube root of x plus 2. Okay, so ito yung kanyang inverse. To check, gagawin ulit natin yung composition method, no? So we have here g of negative 1 over x, and then dito naman ay g of negative 1 of g of x. Okay, so dito naman ang gagawin natin, again, our given here is x cubed minus 2. Ano yung papalit natin sa x? Ito, no, class? So yung cube root of x plus 2, so magiging the cube root of x plus 2 raised to 3 minus 2. So mapapansin nyo rito, yung 3 makakancel, yung cube root makakancel. At titira natin is x plus 2 minus 2. So plus 2 minus 2 is 0. So ang ating answer dito is x. Tingnan natin kung parehas ang sagot natin dito. So ang given natin dito is the cube root of x plus 2. So i-substitute natin ito ng x cube minus 2 dito sa loob, dito sa radicand x. So magiging we have cube root of x cube minus 2 plus 2. Okay, so dun muna tayo sa loob, magsosolve. So we have x cube, tanggalin natin yung parenthesis, 2 plus 2. So mapapansin natin is negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So yung ating matitira sa loob, sa radicand, is only x cube. So the cube root of x cube. So mapapansin natin this will cancel, no, yung cube root at saka yung exponent 3. That will leave us the final answer with x. So since parehas sila, so ito is the inverse of this one and vice versa. Thank you very much. Hope you have learned from this lesson. I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Good day and God bless.